Ever created a WordPress.com site that you no longer need and now want to delete it completely? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete your WordPress.com site the right way so it's gone for good. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress.com account. Once you're in, head over to the Site section. This is where all your websites are listed. From there, select the site you want to remove. Next, click on the three-dot menu, the options icon next to your site's name. You'll see several choices, but the one you're looking for is Delete Site. Before WordPress lets you delete it, there are a couple of important things to note. If you have any active purchases linked to that site, like a domain, plan, or email subscription, you'll need to cancel those first. You'll also have the option to export your content if you want to keep a backup before saying goodbye to your site permanently. Once you've handled those steps, WordPress will ask you to confirm the deletion. Simply type in the full site address, for example, your site.wordpress.com, and then click Delete Site. And that's it. Your WordPress.com site is now permanently deleted. Keep in mind that once deleted, you can't recover it. So make sure you're absolutely certain before confirming. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.